you get a second skin technology. Technology that creates what we term a second skin protection. These minerals that link to one another and they act to strengthen the lipid barrier, but also help to support that skin microbiome, which is essential for skin health. And as a result, what do you get? You get beautiful and radiant skin. But how does that occur? Well, let's re-examine the mineral mask. When you use the small quantity in your cleansing step and keep it moving with the mineral mask, it acts not just as a cleanser and a detoxifier, but as a skin balancer and as a skin protector. You see, small quantities of this magic minerals will be left behind post-rinsing, and those minerals will act to protect the skin, protect the microbiome, and they'll do so invisibly to the naked eye. And we always say, apply it to wet skin and never let it dry, because this is quite potent formula. You have certain minerals that have their role in terms of detoxifying, others in exfoliation, others in cleansing. And then when you rinse the product off, it still doesn't stop working for you. There's another level to protection, because there are these micro minerals that are left behind after rinsing the skin. And these minerals are there to protect the skin and support the microbiome. If you use the mineral enriched balm concentrate right after the purifying mineral mask application, the minerals from the purifying mineral mask will associate with the minerals from the mineral enriched balm concentrate, creating a second skin protective barrier. This barrier is so effective in protecting you against pollutants, environmental factors, even makeup, that all these pollutants that we face every day, including our makeup, stay on top, which is great because at the end of the day, when we need to rinse off all of that tenacious makeup and our sunscreen and all the pollutants that have accumulated during the day, it's easy to do because they're all sitting on top and they are not clogging the pores or damaging that skin barrier. When you apply the purifying mineral mask with the mineral enriched balm concentrate, there are multiple technologies that play a role. First, it's the mineral bloom technology, and this is in both of our active mineral facial treatment products. And the mineral bloom technology helps minerals to activate, and it keeps them active over time. Purifying mineral mask has also something that we term mineral mass transfer sequestration technology, and this technology helps to purify and detoxify the skin on a deeper level while you're massaging and you're dynamically rolling these active minerals across the surface of your skin, picking up all of the impurities while they're doing this. Another technology that we have, collagen stimulating technology. It helps build collagen in your skin. And our mineral enriched balm concentrate, besides the mineral bloom technology that we discussed, also has the mineral silk technology, which you can actually feel when you squeeze out the product and you apply it on your skin, because it really feels velvety, silky smooth while creating that second skin protection. Supports your microbiome as well as links the Balm mineral silk technology with the active minerals in the mask, and there's active mineral association that occurs. So the active mineral association is when the minerals that are left behind when you cleanse the skin with the purifying mineral mask associate with the minerals from the mineral enriched balm concentrate, which is applied afterwards, and these create a stronger support for the skin. So you at the end will get naturally radiant, healthier, and glowing complexion.